Dawn from PNW Blanks, and today we are going to do a soap dispenser. So Anna got a restock of the soap dispensers at pnwblanks.com, and I love these. These are so much fun. So we're going to do this cute design. This one's hot. I was like, well, I'm doing it, let me jump on. And we're doing a super cute germ juice design that I got on Etsy. And what's really nice about this is this turns, so you can put it, you don't have to worry about it facing that way, but it comes with your pump. And then we're going to do this cute design. And I'm using Cyclone 2.0 inks. And what I want to point out is, it's still hot, is that I printed this out in January, and I'm just now hunting around and doing these. And look how beautiful my colors still are. So, you can find the Cyclone ink on the pnwblanks.com page, or you can go to cycloneinks.com and find them there. So, we are doing this, and all I'm going to do, like I said, is I made it just a little bigger because this is kind of a straight bottom, so that's nice too. So I made it just a little bigger on the top and bottom. I'm going to use my roly-poly. We have these available too. Tape it down. Make sure I've got it nice and even there. And so we're just going to tape it down. I got my 3 pieces of tape, and then I use one little extra piece here on the seam, and that's all we need. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that I do my tumblers and things, everything the same way. So I'm going to do my seam facing out. That way I know when to turn, I'm going to face it in. And I already used my Pro Slide to adjust my settings because I did this one. I love the Pro Slide, so easy to do. With your PNW Sublimation press, you don't need a lot of pressure. I've got my resting temp at 355, my printing temp at 358. We're going for 30 seconds on each side. And this is cooled down some. So all we're going to do is pop this back on here. And now we have our adorable soap dispenser. How cute are these? I think these are so much fun. You can do so much stuff with them. But once this goes and we go to flip, I'll come back.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!